In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make automatic photo carousel in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, ready-to-preview carousel using a template, with your own images swapped in and everything set to play automatically. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Figma has a collection of templates that work great as a starting point, and many of them can be sent straight into Figma. Once you're on the site, look for the search bar, type carousel, and hit enter. You'll see a range of options designed for different styles and use cases. Take a moment to preview a few and choose the template that matches the look and aspect ratio you want for your images. Picking the right style here will save you time later. After you've found the one you like, click the template to open its details page, then select the option that says Open in Figma. This will import the design into your Figma workspace. If you're using the desktop app, Figma may prompt you to confirm the file opening. Just allow it. Once it loads, you'll see the carousel frames and layers laid out and ready for customization. Now it's time to change the images. Click on one of the image placeholders within the carousel. In the right-hand panel, under Fill, click the plus icon to add a fill, then switch the fill type to Image. Choose the image icon and upload your file from your computer. Give Figma a moment to process the upload and your image will appear in the frame. If you need to adjust how it sits, use the image settings to choose Fill or Fit, or reposition the image so the subject is centered. Repeat the same process for the other slides in the carousel so they all use your images and maintain a consistent look. When choosing images, aim for a consistent aspect ratio and similar resolutions across the set. This keeps transitions smooth and avoids unexpected cropping. Also, large files can slow things down, so balance quality with performance. Once you're done uploading your images, go ahead and preview the carousel. Click Preview at the top right corner in Figma. This opens the prototype view so you can see the automatic carousel in action, watch the slides advance, and check that your images look crisp and well framed. If anything appears off, return to the design and tweak the image fills or framing. That's it. You've created an automatic photo carousel in Figma using a Figma template, customized it with your own visuals, and previewed the final result.